Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the chemistry class. Today, I will discuss the quality of air or air quality from this chapter, air and atmosphere. Okay. So, you know that now air is polluted. Okay. Highly polluted because of our activities, or you can say human activities. The harmful substances present in the air is called pollutant, and now air pollution is a big problem, okay, for us. All of you know about the case of Delhi, okay. Maximum time the sky and atmosphere of Delhi, okay, because of air pollution, okay, people faces so many difficulties. Okay. Now smoke, dust, soot, and carbon oxides, that means carbon dioxide, carbon oxides, methane, chlorofluorocarbons, nitrogen and sulfur oxides, okay, are the main cause of these air pollutions. Okay, they are called air pollutants. Okay, not only the human activities but also the natural process also may cause air pollution. Okay, like volcanic eruption, like we can say about that different types of crop pollination. Okay, now in this winter season, okay, in air there may be different types of pollination, okay, crop pollination, okay, in the air that is present, and that is the cause of the allergic problem of human, okay. And the list of the human activities causing air pollutions are: first one, we can tell that burning of any kind of fossil fuel or any things like petrol, diesel, okay, these are fossil fuels. And if you burn wood also, okay, that will increase the level of carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide in the air. Okay, and cutting of forest, okay, that is another cause, okay, that is creating water air pollution, because these plants are absorbing the poisonous gases whatever we are producing from the air, and these plants are increasing the percentage of oxygen in the air and maintaining the balance, and they are absorbing carbon dioxide and other different gases also they can absorb, like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. Okay, now in laboratory, in our chemistry lab, we are using different types of chemicals, and during agriculture, okay, or during cultivation, we are using different types of chemicals like fertilizers, okay. Sometimes we are using insecticides, pesticides, and for sometimes we are using rodenticides and herbicides, okay. These are all causing pollution, okay. They can also cause air pollution, okay. And sometimes in industry they are producing different types of poisonous gases, okay, and these poisonous gases are also very much harmful, okay. That means industrial waste, okay, that is also creating air pollution. And sometimes we are using weapons like nuclear war, atom bomb, hydrogen bomb, and sometimes different types of explosive, organic explosive we are using, that also causes the air pollution. And during different types of occasions like Kali Puja, Diwali, we are using firecrackers, bombs, okay, that is also creating that air pollution, okay, because they are forming different types of poisonous gases like sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, okay. And when we are using vehicles, different types of gases, okay, like SOx, NOx, okay, and sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, sometimes incomplete burning produce carbon monoxide, they are also causing air pollution. Okay. Next we will discuss the type of pollutants. Okay. First one is SPM. What is SPM? That suspended particulate matter. During burning of any kind of fuel, okay, smoke will be produced, and this smoke contains that minute suspended particles of matter and causes asthma, bronchitis. Smoke can cause also road accident, because if some huge amount of smoke is present in the road, okay, then we cannot see the path properly, then there is chance of accident. So smoke can also cause road accident, and there will be invisibility of road path. Okay, and next we can tell that particles of lead oxide causes also air pollution, because there is one anti-knocking compound. When you go to higher class, you will be able to know that is called tetraethyl lead. In short, we are telling TEL. So this tetraethyl lead is an anti-knocking agent. We are mixing with the petrol and diesel, okay, to give the durability of the engine, okay, present in the vehicles, okay, and these when mixing with when we are burning this petrol, it will form lead oxides, and these lead oxides can cause brain damage for the children, and they also obstruct the development of the blood cells, okay, and this creating also air pollution. And smoke particles, that may be carbon dust particle or soot, okay, or maybe different types of cement particles, cement dust, okay, that may cause bronchitis, asthma type of disease, okay. And asbestos fibers dust also can cause silicosis, one kind of disease. And pollen grains, that what I am telling, that now this time in the winter, okay, it is present in the air, and that will cause allergic reactions, okay, that may cause coughing, that may cause different types of lungs disease, okay. So these are the suspended particulates, okay, in smoke. Next we will discuss that oxides of carbon. Generally two types of oxides are there, okay, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, but carbon monoxide is highly poisonous, okay, and this carbon monoxide is very much dangerous also, okay. If you inhale carbon monoxide too much, then it will act like a cyanide, okay, it will form a stable compound that is called carboxyhemoglobin. That carbon monoxide will react with the hemoglobin present in the blood, and it will form carboxyhemoglobin, and the oxygen supply will decrease in the cell, and that cause dizziness, okay, that may cause some headache problem. And even this carbon monoxide, when they are binding with the iron present in hemoglobin, that hinders oxygen to bind with this iron and may cause death also, okay. But if you think about carbon dioxide gas, this gas is not so much poisonous like carbon monoxide, but carbon dioxide gas can absorb heat and may causes global warming. So although it is present in very less than 1%, okay. Next we will discuss about the oxides of sulfur and nitrogen. During burning of these fuels, that means fossil fuel like diesel, petrol, there may be impurities like sulfur, nitrogen, okay, that will produce sulfur dioxide gas, sulfur trioxide gas, nitrogen dioxide, and other nitrogen oxides, okay. And this will produce because of this fossil fuel contain sulfur and nitrogen as impurity. And now this sulfur trioxide causes serious respiratory problem, okay. Actually they are choking and creating problem in breathing, okay. And if you think about that, sulfur also produce hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide, you know that it's a rotten egg smell is there, foul smell is there, and it can cause serious headache, okay. And if you think about the oxides of nitrogen, that will also form smoke plus fog, okay, and which causes eye problem. It will damage your eyes, Okay, there may be formation of different types of problems, okay, in the ice, and these gases are also responsible for acid rain. Acid rain now after this, okay, after discussion of CFC, I will discuss what is acid rain. Okay. Next we will discuss CFC. CFC generally we are writing in this way, CFC. These are chlorofluorocarbons. Okay, when you read the organic chemistry, you will be able to understand like CF2Cl2, CF2Cl2, CF3Cl. Okay, like these compounds. Okay, these are chlorofluorocarbons. With carbon there is fluorine atom as well as chlorine atom. Okay, and all of you know that carbon valency is 4. Okay. So these CFC are generally in the gaseous state and they will react with the ozone present in the ozone layer, okay, and they will deplete the ozone layer and there will be formation of ozone hole, okay. And these CFC gases actually we are using in different refrigerators, okay. Sometimes in solvents we are using this thing like carbon tetrachloride, okay. So these things, okay, are destroying the ozone layer, and if there is hole in the ozone layer, what will happen, that UV ray, whatever is coming from the sun, that ozone layer is protecting this UV ray coming from the sun to earth, okay. But if there is hole in the ozone layer, definitely this UV ray will come to the earth, and these UV rays, okay, will fall on skin. There will be skin cancer, and this UV ray also can cause that eye problem like cataract, okay. Even there may be blindness also because of this UV ray. Next I will discuss the acid rain. Acid rain means when acid is present in rain, okay, or pH of the rainwater is around 3 to 4, then it is called acid rain, okay. So rain which is acidic in nature, that is called acid rain. Different types of gases we are producing from industry. Even nitrogen is present during sparking, okay, or lightning. That oxygen will mix and will form nitrogen oxides. These oxides will mix with water and there will be formation of acid. Like sulfur dioxide, when it is reacting with this rainwater, that will produce sulfurous acid. Okay, and if you think about sulfur trioxide gas, it will also react with water forming sulfuric acid. So in this way, this sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide, they will react with the rainwater and producing different types of acids. Okay, if you think about that NO2, nitrogen dioxide, this will react with water and forming nitrous acid as well as nitric acid. Okay, and if you think about that N2O5 nitrogen pentoxide, that will also react with water and forming HNO3. So what we are observing, these SOx and NOx, that means oxides of sulfur and oxides of nitrogen, they are reacting with the rainwater and producing different types of acids. And these acids rain, okay, has huge amount of problem, okay. Due to acid rain, that when this acid rain will come in the sea or fall on the surface of the different types of water reservoir, that will create problems for aquatic animals like fishes, okay, aquatic plants, they cannot survive their lives. It can also cause death of fishes and aquatic plants, okay. And when it will fall on the soil, so it will make the soil acidic, okay, and soil's fertility decreases. As a result, the growth of the crops, okay, the crop production will decrease, and definitely the growth of plant also decreased, okay. So acid rain damages the agriculture system, understand. And acid rain, when it will fall on the marble stone is what? Marble stone is calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate will react with this acid and forming, it is reacting with sulfuric acid, it will form calcium sulfate plus carbon dioxide plus water. Okay, so in this way that different types of marble monuments, okay, will be affected, like Taj Mahal is affected by acid rain, okay, and different types of marble building. And if there is any metallic structure or substance, okay, like bridges, vehicles, maybe railway tracks, because of acid rain, that will react with this acid and may dissolve and forming rust easily, very easily. So they will be also damaged. In our home we are using grills, and different types of building structure we are using that iron rods, that will be also damaged because of acid rain. Actually, if you think about the only the normal rain, if there is no sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide also, in air there is carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide also may react with water, and that will produce carbonic acid. Carbonic acid formula is H2CO3, and that is why the rain is always slightly acidic in nature. Next we will discuss the global warming. Global warming is if we increase the amount of carbon dioxide, methane, N2O, carbon fluorofluorocarbons, water vapor, that will absorb heat what is coming from the sun and increases the earth's temperature. Okay, and this is known as global warming, and mainly carbon dioxide is responsible. Around 60% of this global warming is responsible by carbon dioxide. Methane around 20%, and chlorofluorocarbon around 14%, and nitrous oxide also is responsible around 4 to 6%, and other is water vapor. Okay, that is also creating global warming because they can trap huge amount of heat. Understand? And what is the effect of global warming? The effect of global warming is that will increase the Earth's temperature. So day by day we have to use AC, okay, in our home because of this global warming. Okay, we cannot bear that particular temperature. Okay, huge amount of temperature now is becoming in the summer season. It is becoming 48 degrees centigrade. Okay, day by day the world temperature, okay, increases. Okay, as well as that in polar region there are some ices, that ice will melt. Okay, and definitely the water level, okay, of the sea will increase. Then what will happen? Many land will go beneath the sea level. Understand? So in this way, this global warming creating problem, it increases the sea level. It can increase sea level on water. Many lands can go underwater, as well as it creating that global warming. And there are some advantage also because of this. Gases can trap heat. Okay, we are able to stay in this earth because all time there a minimum temperature what is required around 25 to 30 degrees centigrade, that is maintained. Hope you can understand today what I have discussed. Next day we will discuss how to prevent this air pollution, and in what way we get a solution to minimize this air pollution. So today up to this, thank you.